Welcome. In front of me is a BLU Vivo One Plus from 2019, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings let's scroll down to Storage, so right here, where you should see your memory cards. So for me it's the SanDisk. Tap on it, then tap on the three dots up here and go into Storage Settings, where you will find the option to Format. Tap on it and it gives you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the device. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done that or you don't want to keep anything, just tap on Erase and Format and the process will begin. Now it's a fairly brief one and should be just about done. There it is. So tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.